Once in a while, a process is developed that completely shifts the paradigm of an industry. It delivers efficiency gains, measured not in percentage terms, but in levels of magnitude. That's exactly what K-TIG does. K-TIG renders current welding procedures obsolete by reducing welding arc-on time to an average of 1/10 of the duration. This quantum leap in welding technology was developed by Australia's national science agency, the CSIRO. With a team of over 20 engineers and specialists, Dr. Laurie Jarvis refined this technology over an 8-year timeframe. In this demonstration, 2 pieces of 9.5mm thick stainless steel pipe with a diameter of 273mm are being welded together. This process would usually take a fully qualified, specialised TIG welder 6 hours to complete, with a cost for labour and consumables of approximately $670. The K-TIG process completes this same task in just 3 minutes and 50 seconds, for a total cost of less than $20. The K-TIG control system automates the entire welding process, eliminating the need for expensive, highly skilled welders. The K-TIG controller automatically monitors, adjusts and logs each weld parameter, meaning critical and complex welding sequences can be reproduced time and time again. K-TIG welding can perform large welds with a single pass, eliminating the need for filler materials for welds up to 18mm thick. A ripple-free quality root and finishing cap is achieved in only 1 pass. No more back gouging or cleaning between welds. This greatly reduces the risk of corrosion and weld defects, extending the product life cycle. K-TIG welding easily handles traditionally difficult materials such as titanium. This opens new and exciting markets previously considered off-limits to traditional TIG welding techniques. Early competitive advantage can be achieved with K-TIG's proprietary patent-protected technology now. Industries including pipe fabrication, aerospace and defence, pressure vessel manufacture and shipbuilding can make exponential gains in productivity by employing K-TIG welding. What are you waiting for? To make the most of this new opportunity, contact K-TIG today.